last night. Hey guys, so today I think I'm going to get the planter out, put it in the shop, start tearing it apart, work on it, see what we need, see what bearings need changed. I got new closing wheels to put on and some other things, so we'll get it out and put it in. But first here we'll do a little tour of what it's going to take to get the planter out. Semi needs moved. Fork truck needs moved. M needs moved. Oliver needs moved. Nurse trailer needs moved. To go out. So it'll be a little while. But we'll get everything out and see what'll start and what won't start and try to get things moved. Well, the old Oliver started. It's been sitting all winter, same spot, not touched, fired right up. I need to wash the Sterling off and the trailer before I unhook it. Somebody, and that somebody was me, got the truck stuck in the yard when I was trying to back it in for the winter. So it before I unhook it. So I gotta put that tractor on the nurse trailer. Fork truck started. It needed a little bit of nose candy first. Well, that's not good at all. That's the U-bolt in the bracket that holds the one of the drive axles on the semi that I just pulled out. I can take a snow blade off the service truck also. I think we're done with it. these days. I'll start that, put it on a video, and then it'll be, hopefully, we get this quarantine and lockdown thing figured out before the end of summer, and I'll have some videos also of us tractor pulling. All right, well, corn planter's dug out, so we'll back it in the shop and start doing some work on it. Doesn't need a whole lot, but we'll go over it, make sure all the bearings are good and anything that rolls. And I got new spike wheels, so we'll change those out to the new ones. All right, planter's backed in the shop, so we'll start. Like I said, we got to change the closing wheels. The spike wheels are getting wore down, so I'm gonna change them. I got new ones to put on and go over it. Any bearings or like that need changed, we'll change those and just make sure it's in good working order before we go to the field. All right, so got the planter in the shop, started getting it apart. Did get the closing wheels off to change those rings out. Then our fertilizer openers, the discs were wore down and the boot was wore that puts our liquid fertilizer on next to the row. So we're going to replace those. Found a few bearings that were a little bit questionable, so get those replaced too. And I got a parts list order figured out, so I can get those ordered, then get the new parts coming so we can get it back together. Hey guys, so got all the new closing wheels changed over. Still waiting on the fertilizer boot part. I got all the blades for our fertilizer system on the planter, waiting on the boots to show up so I can put that back together. We had a few gauge wheels, tires that were bad, changed those and put bearings on. We're close to having this thing wrapped up and being done out of the shop. We'll spin around and go out, and the sun is shining and it's halfway warm. It really feels pretty nice out here. So this afternoon, while the sun's shining, it's warm, I'm on a power wash tractor and that goes on the corn planter, and probably semi that I showed you earlier. So we'll get into that this afternoon while it's nice and warm out. Hey guys, so got the 7200 power wash yesterday, so we got it in the shop now for service, change oil, filters, air filter, fuel filters, check all the other fluids in it, clean the cab out, and give it a wax before we put it on the planter. So hopefully if we don't get any rain here tomorrow, we might try to spread a little fertilizer on some wheat, so hopefully I can get some of that included in this video too. So hey guys, so I got everything ready, got the tractor serviced, filters, oil, fuel filters, air filters all changed, hydraulics are good, cleaned the cab out, got some of the monitors rearranged inside. We get to planting, I'll show you guys what monitors I use and stuff in the planter. And then, so it'll be out of the shop tomorrow. Got a little bit to finish up on. I got the hood waxed and cleaned up. I got to finish working on the fenders, get them done, get it all cleaned up. So we got the planter about wrapped up. So I don't know. Like I said, we changed the closing wheels put new rings in them, and working on putting new on the fertilizer setup. So right there, we got new blades and put new boots on that. So to get that done, it's pretty much ready to go outside of greasing it. So we'll be ready hopefully in a few weeks, a couple weeks, we'll be able to start planting some corn. So this will be probably enough for this video. So if you like it, give us a thumbs up. But if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. If you're new to the channel, and go back and look at some of their stuff. And yeah, we'll get another one started. We're going to bring a couple, we'll probably bring a sprayer in, service it, and some stuff like that. And hopefully we can get in the field before long.